So on your computer, you'll go to these apps over here and go to the Chrome Web Store. And then if you type in Pear Deck, it pulls up this Pear Deck Power Up extension. I already have it, so you would click whatever it says right here, the blue button, in order to add it. Then once you add it, you'll see this little Pear Deck Power Up here. So then when you open a slides presentation, what you would do is up here at the top, it'll show Pear Deck, and you can click on that, and it'll open this right-hand sidebar, and this is where you present your lesson from. This is also where you would make and add questions, but like on the one that I gave you, pull it up real quick. So what we'll do when I'm there is pull this up on your computer, and either the Pear will show up here, or you'll go to, oh, there's the Pear Deck. You can also go to add-ons and then Pear Deck and open Pear Deck if you don't see this Pear right here. And then we'll go to present lesson, and then it's going to bring up a code for them to join. They go to joinpd.com and put in this code. And then we'll do extended top and put one of these on the extended top and the other where the teacher can see right here. So I hope that makes sense. You don't have to do anything on the Chromebooks for the kids. It's just what you have on yours.